Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. If you're having trouble installing updates, KB5046740 or KB5048162 on your Windows 11 version 24 H2 PC, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix this issue and get those updates installed. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Start the App Readiness service. Press the Windows key and type Services in the search bar, then hit Enter. In the Services window, scroll down to App Readiness. Double-click on App Readiness. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply. If Start is highlighted, click it, then click OK. Try updating Windows 11 again. If this doesn't solve the issue, move on to the next step. Step 2. Move the WinreAgent folder. Open File Explorer and go to this PC. Open the C drive, then navigate to C:\WinreAgent. If you can't see the folder, click on View at the top, then check the box for hidden items. If the WinreAgent folder appears, right-click it and select Copy. Paste it somewhere safe, like your desktop, to create a backup. Now you can delete the WinreAgent folder from the C drive. After deleting, open Windows Settings and try running the update again. Once the update completes, restart your PC. After restarting, you can move the WinreAgent folder back to its original location on the C drive. Step 3. Run the Windows update. Troubleshooter. Open Windows Settings, then go to System, then Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Under Most Frequent, find Windows Update and click Run. Let the troubleshooter complete its process. Once done, restart your PC and check if the updates work. Step 4. Restart the Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Services. Press the Windows key and type Services, then open the Services app. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic, then click Apply. If Start is highlighted, click it and then click OK. Right-click Windows Update and select Restart. Next, scroll down to Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Double-click it and set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply and Start, then click OK. Right-click on BITS and select Restart. Try updating Windows 11 again and check if the updates install. Step 5. Use the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Copy the link provided in the video description and open it in your browser. This will take you to Microsoft's official website. Download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Once downloaded, run the .exe file and click Yes when prompted. If any updates are available, you'll see an option to install them. Click Install or Update and let it run. After the installation, restart your PC. Step 6. Use the Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the link provided in the video description to access the Microsoft Update Catalog. In the search bar, type KB5046740 or the specific update you need, and press Enter. You'll see the update listed based on your system type, e.g. Windows 11, version 24, H2, x64 based system. Click Download next to the correct update. Once downloaded, double-click the file to start the installation. After it installs, restart your computer. Step 7. Reset Windows Update components. Copy all the commands provided in the video description. Open Notepad and paste the commands. Click File, then Save As. Name the file woofix.bat and set the Save As type to All Files. Save it to your desktop. On your desktop, right-click the woofix.bat file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow, and the script will stop the Windows Update services and run scans to fix any issues. After the process completes, it will restart the necessary services. Restart your PC and check if the updates are installing now. Step 8. Use the Media Creation Tool. Copy the link provided in the video description and open it in your browser to access the Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Click Download Now and run the .exe file. Once launched, click Accept and choose Windows 11 as the version to install. Select ISO file, then click Next and save it to your desktop. Once the download is complete, double-click the ISO file, run the setup.exe file, and follow the prompts. The setup will check for updates, and you'll see an option to install Windows 11. Click Install and let the process finish. After installation, restart your computer and check if the updates have been installed. And there you go. One of these steps should help you successfully install KB5046740 or KB5048162 updates on your Windows 11 PC. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Error Genie for more troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.